Hello, aspiring quality management professionals. I'm Dr. Trivedi, founder of Efforts Consulting and a Lean Six Sigma coach with over 15 years of practical experience in the field. Today, I'm thrilled to announce an exciting opportunity for all of you. Are you looking to enhance your skills and advance your career in quality management? Are you ready to take your understanding of Lean Six Sigma to the next level? If so, I have the perfect solution for you. I am offering a comprehensive course designed to help students and professionals of quality management to achieve the Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification. This certification is not just a badge on your resume, it is a testament to your expertise and commitment to excellence. So, what are the benefits of pursuing Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification with me? Let me break it down for you. Practical knowledge. You will gain practical insights and real world case studies from my extensive experience as Lean Six Sigma practitioner. Expert guidance. As a Six Sigma black belt and a seasoned coach, I will provide you the expert guidance and support every step of the way. Industry recognition. A Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification from Efforts Consulting carries weight in the industry and opens doors to exciting career opportunities as we are accredited with Council for Six Sigma Certification USA. Enhanced skill. It would help you to improve your process problem solving skill, process improvement, and that is the demand across industry. Networking opportunity. Joining this course, you can connect with the community of like-minded professionals and experts in the field. But perhaps the most important benefit all is the impact you make onto the society. By mastering Lean Six Sigma principles, you will not only drive the efficiency but savings and the culture of continuous improvement in your company. So if you are ready to take your career to new heights and become a certified Lean Six Sigma Green Belt, I invite you to enroll in my course today. Together we will embark a journey of learning, growth and transformation. Thank you for considering this opportunity and I look forward to welcoming you to this course. Let's make a difference together.